Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to switch a figure to inactive. What this does is it removes it from your active figure list, meaning that you won't mess it up in the future. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to show you what line I have active. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my no line descriptor at the bottom here. That's going to open up my figure list, and you can see right now I only have one active figure, and that is with the house description on my sample project here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click OK, and to deactivate it, I can also do it in the figure list here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my figure here, and I'm going to click the deactivate figure button or the end figure button. You can see here it says change status to inactive. Yes will end the figure, and you will not be able to continue adding elements to the figure. No will not end the figure. I'm going to click yes because, as I said, I want to deactivate my figure. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my figure list again, and you can see here that there are no longer any active lines. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you end a figure through MicroSurvey's FieldGenius so that you can add any elements to it in the future so it stays constant. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.